girl, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be styling a 14-inch 13 by 6 water wave lace frontal wig from OMGqueen. Now I'm going to get into the claims real quick and then I will discuss those claims throughout the video. So first of all, this wig is on a Swiss lace. It is improved bleached knots with a improved pre-plucked hairline, and it also has an elastic band on it. So we're going to talk about it. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off and then get into the actual hairline on this wig. So when I started to part out this wig on the side, I was actually surprised with how nice the color of the lace mimicked my skin tone as well as the pre-plucked hairline. Now, OMGqueen is usually pretty good with their pre-plucked wigs, so I'm curious to see what this improved pre-plucked hairline looks like. Now, I do like that the knots were bleached pretty good to the point where I didn't have to go in and bleach any of the knots. Now, again, this wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline. However, I am taking out a little bit more hair on the sides, so I needed to go in and thin out the hairs on the sides. Okay, so right here I wanted to zoom in on the hairline and the way the baby hairs swooped into the hairline on this wig. I've never had a wig, especially from OMGqueen, do this on the baby hairs. So this is nice. Honestly, I've never done my baby hairs this big, but I actually like it, especially for this water wave texture. So I'm going to finish off my baby hairs and I'll be back to show you guys how I define the waves in this wig. Okay, so now that I have an idea of what the hairline looks like after I've smoothed it out, I'm going to go in with my tweezers and pluck a little bit right in front of that part because I just like for my hairline to look a little thin where my part is and where my baby hairs is. Like, y'all, do y'all see that? Oh my God, I did not realize my baby hairs was that much on point. That's a vibe, yes. Okay, and so you guys are already familiar with the concealer routine. I just went in with concealer just to emphasize the part and the scalp. And then I did overpluck a little bit on the part, so I went in with some mascara. And y'all, look at this wig and this hairline. Oh, wee, okay, I see the improvement. so now that I got that hairline laid, girl, it is time to go in and define these waves. That is very much giving me curly, but you know, nevertheless though, I know I'm gonna love this texture because I just see curls, and you girls know I don't like wavy hair, but curls I can do all day. So here I'm just adding mousse and water, and as you can see, the curls are super bouncy and is coiling up so nice. Yes, I said coiling. It is coiling up so nice. I'm going in with a little bit more hair mousse just to give more definition and hold to each strand. Do y'all see how bouncy these curls are? And here's just a quick comparison of the dry water wave side and the wet water wave side. So I'm just going to continue wetting my hair, and I'll be back with the finished results. Oh, and as of lately, I've been liking to add gel to my curly hair, even my natural hair. I like to add gel because I feel like it gives a little bit more hold to the curls. It keeps the hair from getting frizzy, and I feel like it gives that wet look all day, and it definitely helps with making sure that mousse doesn't turn to like a crunchy texture. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Y'all look at these curls. This is not water wave. This is a curly texture, and honestly, the length is perfect on this wig because it is such a natural vibe. This wig is going to be staying in for the next 48 hours, and I'm definitely going to be vlogging in this wig because it's just too cute. Look at that. Alright, so big shout out to OMGqueen for sponsoring this beautiful wig today. This is what the wig looks like when the hair is completely dry. I don't see any type of frizziness coming at all on this wig. And then I'm also going to show you guys what this texture looks like when it's completely dry. And so this is what it looks like when it's dry. As you can see, the hair did shrink a bit, which is expected with curly hair, but nevertheless though, it's a beautiful wig. So I'll make sure I have all the tea below on this wig because this is definitely a beginner's wig and a wig for someone who is looking for a natural vibe, especially when it comes to curly hair. So make sure you check out that description bar, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.